Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Jeanette with Jeanette's Reviews, and today I've got a Gwynnie Bee. I'm excited about this one because I have closeted one of the items in this box for over a month now, and I think it finally came in, so it must be very popular. Gwynnie Bee is an online rental subscription where you go on, subscribe, and you go through their catalog basically, and you closet items that you would like to have sent to you. You can prioritize those items and move them to the top of the list if there's something that you're wanting sooner. If it's in stock, they'll get that to you right away. If not, they'll pick 2 other items. You have to have at least 6 items in your closet before they ship you the first 2. You get those, you can wear them as long as you want. You can wear them just one time, send them right back, they'll ship you another item. So it's a really neat subscription service. Costs you about $70 a month, and that's for the 2 items at a time. And you could rotate that out to almost up to 10 items in 1 month, which is wearing almost $1,000 worth of clothing in a month for $70, when if you went to Macy's or what have you and bought 1 item for $70, then you have that in your closet. You could get sick of it. This way you have a rotating wardrobe, which is really nice. So I'm just going to get in here, and they send you your prepaid mailer to send back your items when you're finished with them. You don't have to wash them. They do the dry cleaning. So that's a really nice feature as well. And the first item in my box is a pair of jeans that I had closeted by Vintage America Blues, and they are a boho skinny ankle. And set that down there. And they have a little bit of the distressing here with that kind of wash on the back. They have a little bit of distressing, not a lot, stretchy. And down here, they have this really pretty embroidered detail. It's got the frayed hem. So it's a skinny ankle. It's on both legs at the bottom. So you could pair this with just a white t-shirt and, you know, a pair of Converse or something like that, and you could dress it up with a pair of wedges and a dressier top. It's just a really fun detail on there. And we'll try these on and see how these work. And then the other item was a dress that I had closeted. And like I said, about a month ago, I've been waiting on this one. And it's finally here. This is a Rachel Roy in a size 10, and I just really loved the print. It's got such vivid color with the blues, the 2 different types of blue, baby blue, dark blue, and the red. It's got this kind of bird pattern on there, like a hummingbird, and it's a faux wrap dress, and it has I guess it's like a cap ruffle sleeve, and hopefully it's not going to be too low cut. It looks like it's gonna be pretty long. I'm only 5'2", so this is probably gonna come over my knee, and it just has a hidden zipper in the back, zips down, and a little bit of, I guess, ruching here to help maybe flatter your tummy area. So we'll try these on and see how that works. And if you are new to my channel, I appreciate if you subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notifications on my other videos. And in the description box down below, I'm going to list what these items were. Now, you closet them and you rent them and send them back, but if it's something you fall in love with, you can buy it at a discounted price. So I'll list what the prices would be if I were to buy them. And in my code, it's going to be for a 1 month free trial of Gwynnie Bee. You'll pay nothing and try as many outfits as you can in a month. And then it also will be a coupon for $10 off your first paid month. So I'll get these tried on and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first item, which was the pair of jeans with the embroidered detail down the leg. And these fit really nice, very soft. They have a nice fit in the back. There's no gap, so they fit me very well. Stretchy, comfortable. I just paired it with a cold shoulder top and a pair of wedges. You could dress it up or down. I mean, you could just wear it with some sneakers and a t-shirt, like I said. And I really do like these jeans. They're very comfortable. I like the little bit of distressing. It's not over the top, which is nice. I could actually maybe even wear these on a casual day to work with the distressing kind of being covered and just that detail. So I will list what these would run if I were to buy them, and I might consider doing that. So I really like these. I'll be right back with the dress and see how that fits. and I'm back with the dress. This one is a fully lined dress, so it's a bit thicker. I do love that it's fully lined, but it's a bit thicker to where if it's very hot out, this is gonna be still a little bit warm. I like the ruching here in the front. It fits nicely. I just paired it with a pair of black shoes. This dress gives me kind of like an oriental vibe in a way. The one problem that I had with it is I had to pin it. This sucker was low. You would have seen my complete bra. So I don't know if it looks tacky pinned. Can you tell? Comments down below, let me know. Should I go ahead and just send this one back? Or is the pinning look all right? Unfortunately, there was no other way to wear it. I mean, unless you're gonna wear a tank under it or something, and I think that would take away from the look of the dress. So, but it is a nice form-fitting dress. Has a little slit detail on the back. It's a good length on me. And I do like it, and I've waited for this one for so long. It's just kind of a bummer that it is so low cut in the front. But I will list everything down below in the description box, so please check that out. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned with me because I will be coming up with a Nadine West very soon. Thank you.